going to do... Okay. Hello guys, I'm going to do a video today, and apparently I just installed Pixelgun and I already have a legendary. I didn't know that Chicki was legendary apparently. Look at this. Pets. I got a champion egg also. And I have a Whiskers, I call him that. Wolfcon because I don't know his name, and apparently a legendary that is called Chicki. I call him Chicki, okay? He was a chicken. But I just started Pixelgun. I'm level 5 and I got a legendary. Okay, let's see. Asian egg. Okay. Lucky chest. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Reach me up. I just pressed the button and I'm already to reach. I want a grenade launcher. So apparently if I want a grenade launcher, probably here. Oh, watch. I'll watch a video right now for my
Find the latest deals in your area. Set notifications not to miss any offers.
Well guys, I hope
Search through weekly ads and catalogs to find deals and details on things you want most.
By one subscriber called
Look up store locations and hours.
So
see all the available coupons and click the ones you want to use.
Shout out to Adriel. I think that was
Use the shopping list to organize your trip.
I think he has a YouTube name.
Download the retail app for free
I don't
today.
remember, but his name is Adriel. So hope you like the video and subscribe for more. Okay, so hey, didn't you give me another spin? Okay, let me do this. Please, grenade launcher or a gun. Oh, come on! Tickets. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. So guys, in the armory I played a little, and apparently I'm a sniper god in this game. Let me put this to the side. And I'm going to try to buy something. Can I? Let me see if I can buy a weapon. Nope. Need more diamonds. Top seller. But I'm not going to buy it. So guys, I'm going to start battling in team fight or block crash. Do you want me to play block crash? Let's play a duel in space arena. I want to see this. Am I in space arena? Okay, I'm in space arena. I was like, what the heck? It didn't load. So guys, this is the new Pixelgun version. Oh my goodness. Shadow Gaming. Jordan the Beast Club. Am I in the class? I got one request and apparently I'm in the class. So leave a friend request in the description down below. Come on, this is cheating. You have a jetpack. No! How many games is this? Oh, it's Chicken, did you get it? The chicken special ability is that when he hits you, he can detonate. Okay? Oh, almost there. Do you also have... Oh, come on! Okay, now we're even. Try to catch me. I'm like just wait, what the heck just happened? Did I shoot him? I just shot accidentally. Okay. He's like, stop killing around. You have a dynamite! Okay, just kill him. He killed himself. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, you actually killed yourself. Get me some kills. Stop killing yourself, okay? Because this guy has good armor. Come on. Good. I think you have good armor. And I also got into the Iron League. Did you know? First win of the day. Winner. Loser. He just raged it. I want something race, even if I won. Next match. Change arena. Random map. Okay, the same one. That's right. Okay, random map. Give the same one. The other person okay. So apparently I think I'm winning because the chicken power. No! He's a sniper. Oh my goodness, where is he? Annihilation? Okay, very easy. Where are you? Snipe me. Oh my goodness. That chicken's powerful. No, not gonna flame me. Not gonna flame me. Wait. Poison. I think I'm going to die because poison. No. No poisoning. We never use this one. Okay, where are you? Oh! Oh, thank you. No! What? What happened to this one? We're going to have a firefight while balancing. Balancing firefly! Wait, what happened? Oh! He's getting on my nerves. We're gonna get sniped. Stop moving around! Save! 3, 2, 1! Victory! Wait, why did I have victory? We were in the same! Or did I win? What? What's happening? Because I have more points. Okay. You win. Wait. Isn't he the same one? Right, quick. We're like both. Okay, let me put. Apparently in the duel, I won. I don't know why, but everybody. Let me see here. A squad? Can I use a squad? Well, guys, friend request down below. Go look for me. I'm Shadow Gaming and send me a friend request. I'll join accept you. We'll have chicken. You try to. Oh, what did you do? What the heck does that mean? Chicken? What the heck? Why don't he get just spawn everywhere? No! Double kill. What the hell? Headshot. Please don't tell me he was spawning right here. Where did you spawn? Nope. I'm just getting I'm abusing him right here. Where is he? Where is he? explode. Oh my goodness, I explode! Oh, come on. You have low health, guy. You trying to play with me? You die. Boy. Okay, like our friend Galaxy Gamer says, boy. Really easy! Nope, nope, nope. On the ground, please. I'm in jail? What the heck? Where did he go? Oh, there he was in I was. Thanks for you listening. Okay, I want you back already. So guys, I'm going to buy some guns. Winner, loser. Sorry guys if this is you. It's only that I don't know. So apparently he had low armor. Well guys, as you see, I definitely have the weakest armor of all. I have light wooden armor. Give me one protection and I still win. Yeah! That yes, I only have the bomb. So I'm going to buy some weapons. Primarily, do I buy me an AK-47? How much damage? 5, 4. Let me buy a sniper. Can I? I'll like this sniper. You know what? I'm going to try to buy that sniper. I can buy the Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow. I like this sound. Sorry. So I'm gonna backup. I haven't used this backup, but I know it's the worst one. I want the sim revolver. So this chicken is legendary apparently. This is the Hitman pistol. Do I try to save up for this or do I buy this? I just wanna buy something. Can I buy? No, Dracula, no. I cannot buy the dragon. Too much for me. How many? 8? Which one's better? Fire rate? I'm going to go with don't know. I'm going to buy. Guys, help me. I don't use this one. Let me get a melee first. Can I buy the best melee of them all? Nope. But cool, I could if I would. Meat grinder. These both are legendary. This is epic. Okay, I'm not going to buy. Oh, it's difficult. Okay, I'll buy me how many damage? This bow have do the same. Single shots rare, but this one is silent, so not to get waste. Okay, I'll buy this one. So let me buy. No, I'll try to buy. Oh, come on, I cannot buy this one now. Sniper, nope. Almost. I'm going to buy this one. Going to go some back. Okay, I just got into the same thing. So there's mini games too. Parkour challenge. Okay, I'm going to do a parkour challenge. Go. Got to skip. Connecting to server. And how much money do I get if I do this? Well, I only need 3 cents. I'm only asking for 3. Please. I like the music. Is this me? Oh my goodness, this is so cool. so there's checkpoint. Same checkpoint. Nope. No! Oh my goodness, what the hell? No! Oh, come on! Save checkpoint. Oh, come on. Okay, try to do no jump. Oh. Oh, come on. Almost everybody left the game. That was a small jump. Almost. Yes. Okay. Safe. Do I get a diamond for? Oh, I lose a diamond. Goodbye to my collection. Oh, come on. Well, I'll leave. Seriously? That's jetpack? Is jetpack valid? Oh, come on! Seriously? Oh, I have some time. Almost fell down there. I just walked from the edge. Come on. Do you think I can do it? Yes, because that was my favorite part. No, that wasn't the... Okay. Come on. Got it. Where's Flynn? What's happening? Okay. No! Oh, I get it. Am I the only one here? Nope. Finally. Just walk down the edge. Completely forgot that. Can I just not leave it over here and that's all? Of course, I make it and fail. Okay, always. Do it. Just not the end. Just did it. No! This is what I call a race quit. Screw that. Screw that. Screw mom. Goodbye. Egg delivery. Let's see what egg. What do we get? Magic egg. Screw the mini games. Okay, I'm going to play Block Crash. Okay, and let's see how it goes. I played a little bit and I screw a lot over. So let me see. My goal of the day is getting this snowstorm, okay? And there we go. Please guys, don't leave the comments down below. Do a hardcore challenge, please. You know how I did and you know that I screw it. So I think it's first blue and then break, okay? Who the heck is throwing musical? It's you. And almost fell down. You fell down. No. Okay. Always keep moving. Okay, he just fell. Try to kill him. He tries to kill me. Are you two working together? Okay, so apparently almost fell down. Nope. Die. Okay, so apparently it's you and me now. Just move around. Oh, God's sake, you scared me. I win! Did I win? I win! Yeah! I win! 2 points. 2 points, seriously? Now I need one more. Okay. Break the game. I cannot believe I won. Starting and 1. Okay, I like that card. Can I break it? That's like, I'm the new master of the game. Oh god, hey, don't scare me like that. Purple, there's falling goods over. Where is he? Nope. Okay. Who's the last? Did I win? Already? What? What just happened? There's only 1 point. I won. Okay. Who cares? But guys, this is the end of the video while I'm hitting myself in the noggin. So, where's the armory? I got used that the armory is over here. Over the right side. Backup? Oh, forgot I have this backup. Maybe I need to get a better one. And this is probably what you've been waiting for. The snowstorm. Slows the target. 3, 2, one. Good idea. Well, guys, that's the video for today. And that's the snowstorm. Can I do practice? Clans? Can I do a clan? Oh, offline. Okay. Leave clan. So apparently I already got friends because I'm the sniper god in games. And leave it in the comments down below if you want me to do the sniper rifle challenge. Only that gun in the whole video. Win a whole game. First place. Wait, where's friends? Hello darkness, my... Okay, I got 2 requests. So leave a request down below if you want me to make you my friend. And of course I will accept it. Let me see my contact list. I got Jojo, Jordan the best, George, Matty 400, Misguided Monkey 866, and Burahara. Okay, and Brave Spirit, Tommy, Misguided Monkey. Okay, I read Bahamrar, Jordan the best, and George. Okay. So, hello, and I'm going to leave, I think, so that you know that I'm a YouTuber. Well, guys, that was the video for today. I'm going to do it later, or now, probably. Okay, I'll do it later. Well, guys, I hope you like the video. Okay, just screw up. What? The video for today. Bye, guys.